Scientists confirmed, this is no food for hypertension, heart attack, stroke and cholesterol. Dates are extremely health beneficial and may very well be one of the best fruits you could possibly eat. They are nutritious and abundant in a number of beneficial ingredients and can help you with serious conditions like cardiovascular problems, hypertension, stroke, heart attack and high cholesterol levels. They'll also boost your metabolism and improve your overall health. Here are 8 amazing health benefits of dates. 1. Dates against diarrhea. This fruit abounds in potassium, which is excellent against diarrhea because it stimulates the production of the healthy bacteria, improving your intestinal flora. 2. Dates against high cholesterol. Dates are excellent in cleansing your blood vessels from plaque buildup and prevent the formation of blood clots. This makes them good for controlling your bad cholesterol levels. 3. Dates regulate blood pressure. As we already mentioned, dates abound in potassium but contain virtually no sodium, so they're good for people that have problems with high blood pressure. In addition to this, a handful of dates contain 80 mg of magnesium, which also stimulates blood circulation. 4. Dates against strokes. Since dates have a high potassium level, they stimulate the nervous system and prevent strokes. Consuming an average of 400 mg of potassium a day can effectively prevent strokes. 5. Dates for anemia. Dates are rich in iron, which makes them an excellent addition for people struggling with anemia, pregnant women and children. Eating 100 grains of dates a day means 0.9 mg of iron, 11% of the recommended daily value. 6. Dates for heart health. Dates support good heart health, so make sure you include them in your diet. The best way to eat them is to soak them before you go to bed and add them to your smoothie in the morning. 7. Dates against constipation. If you're constipated, dates can come to your rescue. Soak them in a cup of water before you go to bed, and when you get up in the morning, drink the water to aid digestion and exploit the laxative benefits they have. 8. Dates stimulate weight loss. If you want to shed some pounds and slim down, just eat a couple of dates every morning on an empty stomach. They'll jumpstart your metabolism and get you on the right track to success. Thanks you for watching this video, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe this channel.